top focus this hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Bhubaneswar to spearhead the BJP's campaign for its candidates in Odisha. He was greeted by senior BJP leaders, including the party's Odisha Unit President Manmohan Samal and Bhubaneswar Member of Parliament Aparajita Sarangi at the Biju Patnaik International Airport. Now, during his arrival, Prime Minister Modi showcased the lotus symbol, the party's emblem, to his supporters, lining the route from the airport to the Raj Bhavan. You can see those visuals on the left side of your screens. Meanwhile, he is scheduled to visit the Sri Lingaraj temple today itself and will be holding public rallies in Brahmapur and Naurangpur as well. The Prime Minister is also set to address 2 election meetings in Andhra Pradesh today as well, alongside alliance partners N. Chandrababu Naidu and Janasena Chief Pawan Kalyan. The first meeting will be held in Vemagiri as well as the second in Anakapalli later in the day. Meanwhile, shifting our focus back to Odisha, let's in fact listen in to what the BJP state president had to say about PM Modi's arrival and his itinerary.
स्वागत करने के लिए आम जनता में अभी रात को इतना लेट नाइट में आम जनता 11 बजे भी आम जनता इनको स्वागत करने के लिए हजारों संख्या से उपस्थित थे, उत्साहप्रद है और चुनाव में उत्साह है। आम जनता चुनाव लड़ते हैं, इसीलिए जनरल पब्लिक के बार जो चुनाव होगा इसमें सबसे आगे हो रहेगी।
All right, my colleague Mehendi Garg joins on the broadcast live. Mehendi, take our viewers through what exactly Prime Minister Modi is going to be doing in Odisha today.
Well, yes, Priya, ahead of Lok Sabha elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set and is very much ready to look as the Bharatiya Janata Party from the very first day, saying that ab ki baar 400 par. So in the rallies and in the public rallies, it's been shown that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding big public rallies. And today also in Odisha, he'll be conducting a public rally and talking to people and addressing a Maha rally kind of a thing. And as we heard right now also, the BJP president of Odisha and from that area has said that people in Odisha are very much excited for PM Modi to come there and to address their rally, because ahead of these elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rallies are a very important and crucial part and is also playing a very important part, because as we saw other rallies also, PM Modi is very much in an attacking mode, is attacking Congress party and the India Alliance, and also talking about various developments, the Viksit Bharat schemes and what the Narendra Modi government has done in all the years, and also about the 400 par nara. They are very much confident in the public rallies, and so Odisha also plays a very important role. And ahead of the voting in Odisha's today, the rally of Prime Minister in that area, in those particular areas, is very much important, because it will be very interesting to see what Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be saying in Odisha, because several key factors have been taken from the other rallies, as we saw that Prime Minister taken a jibe over Rahul Gandhi, saying that he is a Shehzada, and also about the reservation on the basis of religion and Mangal Sutra. So various things have been said by Prime Minister Modi in the rallies, and also Bharatiya Janata Party is stating various facts in various rallies. So Odisha rally will be very interesting and will be very interesting, as I said also.
Indeed, and we will be keeping our eye out on the battle for the 21 seats in Odisha. Remember, viewers, Odisha is a stronghold of the Biju Janata Dal that is in power in the state. They have been in power for a very long time, and now the BJP, of course, looking at making electoral gains in the state. But Mehendi, it's not just Odisha that the Prime Minister is going to be, visiting. He's also going to be visiting Andhra Pradesh, another very crucial state that is going to go to polls in the 4th phase in itself. 25 seats in the state. Last time around, Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSRCP nearly sweep the state. But this time, some regional players, especially Chandrababu Naidu, is looking at making a comeback. He's once again joined hands with Prime Minister Modi, like was done back in 2014. And Pawan Kalyan's Janasena also has joined the NDA. What details can you share with our viewers as far as the rallies in Andhra are concerned?
Well, yes, Priya, as you said, that Andhra Pradesh is also a very important state, and after Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan has joined Prime Minister Modi's hands and the Bharatiya Janata Party and NDA, so these seats, all the 25 seats of Andhra Pradesh, have been now made interesting because, as we know, that YSR is very much active in those areas, and Reddy also it's said that Andhra Pradesh seats belongs to Reddy. So right now, Prime Minister Modi and all the BJP leaders and all the alliance partners are in an attacking mode and are very much ready to cast all those seats, also the 25 seats of Andhra Pradesh. So for that, the rally that will happen today and will be conducting today will also play a very important role, because with the Nara of 400 Par, BJP will have to make sure that Andhra Pradesh, that seats like Odisha, Andhra Pradesh will also get get a strong hold on those seats also. So with all the alliance partners and new partners making handshakes and making alliance with the BJP is a very big deal, and it will be very interesting to see Andhra Pradesh also, because all these 25 seats means a lot for BJP to gain 400 par, the target they are taking right now. Over to you, Priya.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.